without freedom of speech, actually there is no freedom. Freedom starts with freedom of speech. Freedom of speech and freedom of media are very linked. If there is no freedom of media, there is no freedom of speech. You do not have freedom of speech if you cannot promote it. If no one can hear your speech, there is no use to have freedom of speech. Without freedom of speech, there is no equality. Freedom of speech empowers the weak and the poor. Control of information is power. The first step to control people is to stop freedom of speech. This is why I think it is very key to continue to push this. Man always longs for freedom, as he is created free. Without freedom, man is handicapped. His need for freedom is as his need for oxygen. Lack of freedom takes life out of him. Knowing the truth sets man free. Speech and hearing are very crucial for development of the human being. This is what is legal outside the net should be legal in the net. Outlawing what's lawful outside the internet from being posted is stripping the individual from his freedom of speech and infringing on his freedom. And actually, the internet has given power to the individual because most of the media is with a certain agenda. Finally, truth. Never afraid of being challenged or questioned. Critical thinking and freedom of expression are crucial for development. Growth and knowledge, it is key for accountability and the well-being of the community. And this is why you find that the deaf at the dump is really handicapped and they are not developed. So we need to stand for this. And my fear is of two things. My fear
Excuse me,
is
please conclude.
Okay, yes. Defaming religion is one of the things. If I say that I don't believe that Muhammad is a prophet from God, I am accused of blasphemy. This is a big problem. And so I should be free to express my belief.
Thank you very much. Thank you.